Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into both Outlook and Google Calendar with the accounts you plan to connect. Once signed in, decide whether you want a one-way transfer from Outlook to Google or a published calendar that updates live. This matters because it determines the steps you'll take. Make sure your Outlook calendar's sharing permissions allow the action you need, view only versus edit, so you won't hit a permissions block later. After that, open Outlook web or desktop to begin the export or publish process. Now you execute the middle steps. In Outlook web, go to Settings, view all Outlook settings, then Calendar and Shared Calendars. Once there, either publish the calendar to generate an ICS/HTML link or export the calendar to download an ICS file. Publishing is best for ongoing updates while exporting is for a one-time transfer. If you're on desktop Outlook, use File, Open and Export, Import/Export, and export the calendar as an ICS. Save the link or file. You'll import or subscribe to it in Google next. Finish by adding the calendar into Google. Open Google Calendar settings, choose Add Calendar, then either from URL to subscribe to the published ICS link for live updates or import to upload the ICS file for one-time copy. Once added, check that events appear and that time zones match. If something goes wrong, make sure you granted proper sharing permissions in Outlook, verify you used the correct account, and if needed, republish the calendar or re-import the file. That single troubleshooting step resolves most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.